enjoy my video. Happy watching! Hello friends, here with me. My name is Miss Anissa. My name is Miss Anissa. My name is Miss Anissa. How are you today? That's good. I'm great today. Thank you. Today we are going to learn about weather. We are going to learn about weather. We are going to learn about weather. After you learn this topic, you will be able to mention kinds of weather and you will be able to tell the weather is. So, happy watching! Hello friends! Miss Anissa will sing a song about weather. But I want you to sing together with me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it windy? Is it rainy? Is it hot? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it snowy? Is it stormy? Is it cloudy? Is it cold? One more time. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it windy? Is it rainy? Is it hot? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it snowy? Is it stormy? Is it cloudy? Is it cold? That's the song. So, from this song, you can know some kinds of weather. And you hear some words like sunny, rainy, cloudy, snowy, stormy, and windy. And you also hear hot and cold. That's really, really great. Okay friends, now Miss Anissa will tell you about kinds of weather. I want you to follow my gesture and say what I say. Okay, can you do that? Good job. Now let's start. 1, 2, 3. Put your hands like this. Okay, now you can do this. Sunny, sunny, hot, hot, hot. Sunny, sunny, hot, hot, hot. Sunny, sunny, hot, hot, hot. Good job. Now, rainy, rainy, splash, splash, splash. Rainy, rainy, splash, splash, splash. Rainy, rainy, splash, splash, splash. Great job. Now, windy, 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 shh, shh, shh. Windy, windy, zzz, zzz, zzz. Windy, windy, zzz, zzz, zzz. Wow, good job. Now, number 4 is snowy. Put your hands like this and this. Okay, let's start. Snowy, snowy, snow, snow, snow. Snowy, snowy, snow, snow, snow. Snowy, snowy, snow, snow, snow. Great job. Now, stormy. Put your hands like this. 1, 2, 3. Stormy, stormy, zzz, zzz, zzz. Stormy, stormy, zzz, zzz, zzz. Stormy, stormy, zzz, zzz, zzz. Great job. Now the last one is cloudy. Put your hands like this and cloudy, cloud, cloud, cloud. Cloudy, cloudy, cloud, cloud, cloud. Cloudy, cloudy, cloud, cloud, cloud. Good job. Great job, friends. Now you know kinds of weather. Okay, now let's look outside. 1, 2, 3. Look outside. Look outside. Look outside. What's the weather looks today? Is it sunny? If it is yes, you can answer yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Good job. Now, let's look outside again one more time. Look outside. Look outside. Look outside. What's the weather like today? Is it rainy? Is it rainy? If it is no, you can say like this. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. Good job. Now you can answer if someone asks you about weather. Great job. Now, what's the weather like today? I see a sun light so bright. So, what's the weather like today, friends? Great job. Today it's a sunny day. Today it's a sunny day. Today it's a sunny day. Good job. Oh, Miss Anisa's here some drop. Drop, 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 drop. Falling, falling, falling down. And hits to the ground. Ooh, the ground's becoming wet. So what's the weather like today? Good job. Today it's a rainy day. Today it's a rainy day. Today it's a rainy day. Great job. Now, number 3. I see some trees moving like this. Oh, what's the weather like today, friends? Good job. Today it's a windy day. Today it's a windy day. Today it's a windy day. Great job. Now, number 4 is snowy. Snowy? Snowy? I see some snow falling from the sky. So today is snowy day. Today it's snowy day. Today it's snowy day. Good job, friends. Now, number 5. Ooh, I see a lightning from the sky. What's the weather like today, friends? Yes, good job. That's a stormy day. Today it's stormy day. Today it's stormy day. Today it's a stormy day. Good job. Wow, you are doing great. Now the last one. I see some clouds. It looks so fluffy and becoming dark. What's the weather like today, friends? Yeah, great job. Today it's cloudy day. Today it's a cloudy day. Today it's a cloudy day. Wow! Great job. Now let's mention together kinds of weather. 1, sunny. 2, rainy. 3, windy. Good job. Number 4 is snowy. Number 5, stormy and cloudy. Let's repeat one more time. Sunny, rainy, windy, snowy, stormy, and cloudy. Wow! Great job, friends! Now you know kinds of weather and you know how to answer some question if someone asks you about weather. Great job, friends! Friends, so now you can tell me kinds of weather and you can tell me what the weather is in your home. That's really great. Okay, thank you for watching the video. I hope you like the video. I hope you can learn something from this video. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning, friends. See you later. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.